Namaste, and today we are going to play with Smartivity gear propeller flying machine. So let's open the back. So here is the instruction menu over here. So I am going to show you the instruction menu. So in this pack you will get these things as shown in the booklet, and then it has been shown that parts required to make, and then you have to make this thing. So this box is rated for ages 6+. It is written and it can be played for 6 ages and above. So, and here it is written STEM. The full form of STEM is Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths. So, and here is written what you get. You will get a wooden sheet and B, clear sheet, like it's transparent and you can see everything through it. That's called the clear sheet. And the colored sheet, it is the green sheet over here. So let's get started. Here it is written D pouches. How many pouches are there? You can see here, this one is the foam pouch, all the foam things are in it. This is the rubber band and stick pouch. You have some rubber bands that are very long, not very long, like this much small, and the stick is used to get out the rubber band if it's stuck to anything. The small parts are available as shown here, the tiny rubber band and the big rubber band. I don't think this is called the big rubber band because it is too tiny. And do you know what this does? If you don't know what this does, I will show you. Think this rubber band is stuck somewhere, like here. So I will peg it like this and pull it out. So it will get out. So this is the device to use for it. And here I have already opened this clear sheet, and you see it is transparent as I told you earlier. And here I have also opened the colored sheet. You have to build the launcher first and then the flyers. To make the launcher, we have to use the T-plate, X-octagon, spacer, it's like the space bar, it's not the space bar, a top plate, handle plate, bottom plate, front plate, axle half 1, axle half 2, side plate, back plate, bottom plate. And we need T gear, big gear, small gear, and we need foam circle, foam handle, tiny band, small band and X circle. Here it is showing that you need 27 tiny rubber bands, so much. So it's showing for the flyers we need top triangle, bottom triangle, side rectangle, straight wing, curved wing and tiny rubber band. These are the wings. I have made the propellers. So this is the curved propeller and this one is the straight propeller because this has straight wings and this has curved wings like this, and this one is like this. I have made this propeller using tiny pieces and wings. using rubber band too. So here is my launcher. I have made it and it was a very hard work, but unfortunately my dog destroyed it. See? But still these are at least good. So this game has two modes, high mode and low mode. This one which is below is high mode and which one is above in here, you can't see because it's fuzzy, is low mode. This one is low mode and this one is high mode. If you use this thing and then put it inside it and leave it, then these propellers will fly in the air like whoosh whoosh. I could play with it, but now unfortunately I can't play with it. Luckily I have my cat who is chewing this thing. So I will play with the cat. Hope you like my video. Subscribe, share and like my video. And for more